I am the Christmas train, choo-choo-choo, rolling down the tracks with a merry how-do-you-do. My wheels go turning through the sparkling snow, on a twinkling, jiggling, jingling glow. I puff warm steam into the frosty air, as snowflakes twirl everywhere. The stars say hello with the silver shine, lighting up the world as I chug down the line. All the children hear my whistle call, echoing lightly on the pine trees tall. Hop aboard, there's room for you, let's ride together, choo-choo-choo. We pass by cottages wrapped in lights, glowing bright like magic nights. Gingerbread houses with candy cane doors, sugar snow sprinkled on rooftops and floors.